Hello guys, today I wanted to shoot a video based on a tweet here by Daniel Felipe, who posted some string helpers. So what if you want to transform your string into various cases like camel case, slug, snake case? And I looked at the list of helpers available in Laravel and found a few more similar ones. So let me show you in this video. Generally, there's a page called helpers in Laravel docs, and in available methods there are arrays, there are paths, and there are strings. So string class and string helper in Laravel is pretty powerful. You can browse all those methods and I will link that in the description below, but I wanted to show specifically transforming the case. So here I am in my Tinkerwell, and let's imagine that you have a title and there are various ways how you can transform that string into whatever. Headline, title, camel, slug, snake, and studly. If we launch that, here is the result. So headline is this, meaning each word is uppercase, title is the same, and visually there's no difference in this result in this case, but those methods are different in terms of how they're implemented. So when I looked at str function, str class in Laravel, if we go to title, here's the difference. So title is mb convert case, PHP function basically, and headline is much more complex with more logic. So I'm not sure, I haven't encountered the difference myself. In the comments below, if you know the difference like practical level, shoot in the comments below. Anyway, back to this. So camel is camel case, basically no spaces and each letter is uppercase. Slug is a typical slug for SEO purposes usually. Then snake case is with underscores. And also there's studly case, which is almost the same as camel case, with the difference that the first letter is uppercase. So these are just a few string helpers I wanted to just show you quickly with this example, but there are many more for transforming the strings, for concatenating the strings, for getting random characters, pluralizing, getting uppercase, lowercase letters, UUIDs, and many more. So again, I will link all of that in the description below. But that's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.